Government received 3,770 crore rupees from 638 declarations under the one-time black money compliance window that closed on the last day of September. Tax at the rate of 30% and penalty at the rate of 30% is to be paid by December 31, 2015. These details were released by the Finance Ministry based on figures provided to it by the CBDT.
हमारा इसमें कोई टारगेट था नहीं, हमने तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑनेस्ट लोगों के लिए खड़ी किया है। जो आदमी ऑनेस्ट है उन्होंने अपने आप आके सामने आके अपनी ये पूरी विगत बताई है हमने। कुछ लोग होंगे इसमें ऐसे भी कि जिन्होंने ये डिक्लेयर करना चूज नहीं किया है, दे हैव नॉट चोजन टू डिक्लेयर अंडर दिस एक्ट। Now they will be facing severe consequences.
The window created under the new Anti-Black Money Act saw a hectic rush on the last day as declarants made a beeline to meet the deadline. The compliance window was available between 1st July and 30th September 2015.
1,770 crore which has been declared, they will now have to pay 60%, 30% tax and 30% penalty, which is a subsidized rate, up to 31st of December. So we would be getting 2,000 crore plus because of this compliance window as tax income coming to the Consolidated Fund of India.
Now that the window has closed, those with undisclosed foreign assets will have to pay 120% tax and could face a jail term of up to 10 years. The Black Money Detection Pact between India and the US, Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, has also become operational from September 30.
हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन जो है अब फाटका के अंदर कल से आना शुरू हुआ है। जो अमेरिका के साथ हमारा एक एग्रीमेंट है यूएसए के साथ, उसके तहत फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन हमसे शेयर कर रहे हैं। इसी तरह का एक ऑटोमेटिक एक्सचेंज मैकेनिज्म इंटरनेशनली डेवलप हो रहा है। इंडिया उसका अर्ली अडॉप्टर है। 2017 से हमारे पास दूसरी कंट्रीज से भी ऑटोमेटिक रूप से इंफॉर्मेशन आने लगेगी। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ऑटोमेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन, कुछ कंट्रीज हमसे स्पॉन्टेनियसली इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करती हैं।
After putting in place an elaborate system to detect tax evasion and fraud, which includes tax information sharing, double taxation avoidance agreements, and various legislative measures, including amendments to existing laws, government is confident of dealing with the menace of black money effectively. Bureau Report, DD News.